Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is just a Bath & Body Works haul. I dropped my daughter off to get her hair done and just randomly ran into Bath & Body Works just to grab some detergent because their detergents are bomb. And saw that they would have a 40% off sale. So your girl took advantage of it. I picked up some laundry detergent, candles, and some plugins. But when I say it's 40% off the entire store, it's 40% off the entire store. Any and everything in the store is 40% off. So today I just took advantage of mostly laundry detergent because I'm like the detergent has me in a chokehold. So first I went to get the great smelling amber blush, which holds fragrance notes of warm amber, fresh jasmine, and oak moss. Oh my God. Like if those are your scents, guys, cop it. It was only, it's 40% off. So I think it usually retails for like $20 and I got this for $11. Then I also got the bees, of course, because they're a pair, right? They go together. So here they go, the bees. They smell so good. Oh my gosh. Look at it. It smells so good. Then I picked up Vanilla Suede. This is their new fragrance. This Vanilla Suede has fragrance notes of cozy vanilla, brushed suede, and crisp linen. And of course, I got the pair. Of course, darling, you get the pair. Then I picked up, this is a new fragrance. It's a really light fragrance. This is the Midnight Cocktail. And it says exclusively fragranted soy wax blend. So this is their soy wax blend candle. What are their base notes in here? The base notes, a soft scent of tobacco, and it sounds like a hint of Patron fragrance in it. But to me, it's giving off like a powder. Yeah, today it's giving off like a powder note. It says soft scents of tobacco and Patron, but it's really soft. I think we're a little soft. Okay, and then I picked up an oldie but goodie. So let me grab it. An oldie but goodie. So we'll turn your girls back around. Here. We're gonna give an oldie but goodie. And that oldie but goodie is the Vanilla Bean. I love this fragrance. You know your base notes of Vanilla Bean is Madagascar vanilla, homemade marshmallows, and nutmeg. I love Vanilla Bean so much. And then I picked up some more plug-in refills. So this is their new fragrance, Whipped Honey Vanilla. And it's under the category treats and sweets because I guess of the marshmallow. Is it marshmallow in this? Am I saying here lying? What notes is in this? I'm not sure of the notes because I cannot see them. But this right here, 10 out of 10. So yeah, that concludes my Bath & Body Works shopping haul. 40% off. Run, don't walk, get yours before the sale ends. And comment down below, what are your favorite scents from Bath & Body Works?